In this video, I will show you guys step by step how to promote Fiverr affiliate links on Quora using free traffic without investing any money in paid ads. I'll share with you how you can find people who already search for services and which services you should start promoting on Quora, how you can find people who will be interested to buy those services from you, and so much more. Make sure to watch this video until the end. If you skip one step, this business will be really difficult for you and you can start making commissions like this. I have been doing this business for over 5 years and I'm making over $15,000 every single month with affiliate marketing. In this video, I'll share with you my method with Quora, okay? I made $21,274 in commissions just in the last month, okay? Using free traffic from social media. In this video, like I said, I'll share with you the method with Quora, okay? So for people who are new to my YouTube channel and you want to start making money with affiliate marketing and promoting affiliate links on Quora and earn commissions, step number one, you guys need to create an affiliate account like this one. So what you will do, it's super easy and simple. Just go to Google, search for Fiverr, click on the first link, sign up using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, all you have to do, you just need to use your email address to sign up, and after you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. So you just need to come to this page and scroll down like this. Just keep scrolling down, go to company and click over here on affiliate. Okay, let me show you. Click on affiliate and you will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. You guys can check this website, you can get idea about how much you will earn for each service you will promote with Fiverr affiliate. They are really paying good commissions, and from my experience, this is the best affiliate marketing business that you can start ever. Okay, it's for free. You can use free traffic to promote affiliate services and you can make commissions. So anyway, go back to this home page, click here on join now, and here you go. As you can see, guys, the sign up process to Fiverr affiliate program is super easy and simple. All you have to do, you just need to put your first name, last name, email address, username, your password, and account type. Make it private. Do you have a main source of traffic? If you guys have a website, you can say yes. If you don't have, you can say no, and choose your country from here. You guys can start this business from any country. You can start from United States, United Kingdom, Canada, Australia, Germany, India, any country. Just search for your country from here, and if you have and choose your language from here. If you have Skype account, you guys can put your Skype account here. If you don't have, that's fine. Just click on next and that's it. The sign up process is super easy and simple. And after you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliate marketing. This will be your Fiverr affiliate account dashboard. What you need to do next is you need to find good services that you will start promoting on Quora, okay? So what we will do next, we will go and open Quora account. If you don't have Quora account like this, super easy. Let me show you. Go to Google and search for Quora like this, okay? And click on the first link, sign up using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one. So what you will do, you should know that Quora has a lot of traffic, millions of people visiting Quora every single day, okay? Do you see here 707 million monthly visitors? That's a big number. Okay, so Quora also, you can get so much traffic from Quora if you are following those methods and those steps that I'm sharing with you. Open your Quora account like this, click on the search for logo design. You have here by tape, click on questions, okay, and here you go. You see here, how do I find a good logo designer? You will find people asking questions, searching for specific services. If you scroll down, who are the best logo designers? You see? If we go here, where do I get logo designer? Designed, okay? Do you see people search for logo designer? Where can I hire logo designer online? You see? We have people search for logo designers, okay? So what I will do next, I will go back to my home page on Fiverr. I will click on the search. I will search for the service that people are searching for on Quora, and I will search for logo design. I will scroll down. I want you to pay close attention in this step. Always make sure to choose good sellers. Always choose like top rated sellers, pro sellers, and level 2 sellers. Those sellers will be good sellers for you as a Fiverr affiliate marketer to promote those services and earn commissions. Okay, so for example, let's choose one of those sellers. I will choose, for example, like this one. You guys can see this one here. He is top rated seller, which is good. I will choose this one. I will just click on his service, and here you go. Do you see here 101 order in queue? Already people paying for this service, which is really good. Over 9,000 reviews, meaning that over 9,000 people paid for this service, which is good. People keep coming back, meaning that the seller is providing good service for his customers. So what you will do, you will copy the link of this seller, copy the profile link of this seller, and go back to your Fiverr affiliates account and click here on your dashboard. You have dashboard, marketing tools, reports, payments. Click on marketing tools and click on default and dip links. Okay, you will be directly in this page. Click here on dip link and put this seller profile link here and click on save. Okay, and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. What you will do next, you need to promote this affiliate link on Quora. Okay, so how we can promote this affiliate link on Quora? We will go to Quora, go to this, and we will choose one of those people who search for example, like this one. Where do I get logo designed? Okay, like this one, or like this one. Where can I hire a logo designer online? I will choose, for example, this question, and look how many people following this question. So also, guys, I will give you this tip for free. Always go to questions that are followed by a lot of people. For example, like this one. This question was followed by 302 people. Okay, meaning that when we will click here on answer and get an answer with our affiliate link, those people will get a notification and they will check this answer, which is good. Okay, that's how we can make commissions. I will click here on answer, and I need to send a good and friendly answer with my affiliate link. So what I will do, I will use AI. So what I will do, guys, to create a professional and friendly answer with my affiliate link, I will use ChatGPT. So what I need to do, I need to go to ChatGPT. If you don't have an account with ChatGPT, go to Google, search for ChatGPT, sign up using your email address. It's for free. You can use the free version. Click here on message and ask him, create a professional answer that I can send that I can use on Quora to answer people who search for logo designer on Quora with my website link to logo design service. Okay, and they will click here and they will get a good and professional answer that I can use to answer this question with my affiliate link. You guys can see, looking for a professional logo designer, here is the best solutions. If you need a high quality custom designed logo that represents your brand professionally, I highly recommend using Reliable Logo Design Service, a great logo. And here you go, you have a good. Okay, and here If you are looking for a top rated logo design service, check out this professional option and you will put your affiliate link here. Okay, so I will copy this message like this, and I will go back to Quora and I will put this message here like this. Okay, and I will scroll down, and here I need to put my affiliate link. So for you guys, it's better to use a landing page or a blog or an affiliate website to promote your affiliate links on Quora, so you will not get any problem with Quora, and your account will not get banned. If you promote affiliate links directly on Quora, your account can get banned. Even if your account didn't get banned, those questions will not be showing on Quora, and you will not get any clicks. It's better to use landing page or a blog or an affiliate website. So what you will do next, for me, I will go back to your Fiverr affiliate account and copy your affiliate link from here. So for you guys, if you just started this business and you have a new account, you can't see this option, Fiverr Step A, this one, Fiverr Step A old plan, because for me, I have old Fiverr affiliate account. I have been doing this business for over 5 years and I still have this option. For you, you should see this one, Fiverr Marketplace new plan. Just copy your affiliate link from here. This affiliate link is too much long. I will make it short link. I will use this website to make it looks clean and good. I will click here on shorten, and this is my affiliate link. I will copy this link. I will go back to Quora. For you, like I said, use landing page or an affiliate website. Okay, and after you put your affiliate link here, or your affiliate website link or landing page or your blog, you will click here on post, and your answer will be sent like this. Okay, choose answer conditionally. I will remove this, and here you go, your answer will be like this. You see this, looking for a professional logo designer, here is the best solution. You see, so those people who search for logo designers, they can find your answer here. If they click here on your link, for you, you will use landing page or an affiliate website, they will be directly in the seller profile page. They will click on continue. Buy this service from you, you earn a commission. That's it. That's how you can promote Fiverr affiliate links on Quora. Thank you so much for watching, and for people who are interested to take this business seriously, I want to invite you guys to join my exclusive course. I have created a step-by-step guide that shows you how I'm making over $15,000 every single month with affiliate marketing using free traffic from platforms like YouTube, TikTok, Pinterest, Instagram, and more. With free traffic, you will get access to all my profitable services, my secret, and so much more. Feel free to reach out to me in my email address and I will get back to you. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comments. Like this video, subscribe to this channel if you want to see more videos like this, and see you in my next videos.